Today, we're diving into a powerful natural remedy that will kick flu in the butt, the flu bomb. This easy-to-make recipe is your secret weapon against those pesky flu bugs. So, what's in this magical flu bomb, you ask? Well, it's a potent blend of immune-boosting ingredients like fresh ginger, raw honey, lemon juice, and a dash of cayenne pepper. These powerhouse ingredients work together to strengthen your immune system and fight off flu viruses like a champ. Using natural remedies for flu prevention and treatment is crucial. Not only are they gentle on your body, but they also help avoid the side effects that often come with over-the-counter medications. Plus, natural remedies like the flu bomb can provide quick relief and shorten the duration of your flu symptoms. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you'll never want to go back to conventional flu treatments. Let's break down the powerhouse ingredients that make up the flu bomb recipe and why they are essential in fighting off the flu. First up, we have fresh ginger, a potent immune booster known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it easier for your immune system to combat flu viruses. You can easily find fresh ginger at your local grocery store or farmer's market. Next, raw honey is a natural sweetener that also acts as a powerful antimicrobial agent. It helps soothe sore throats and coughs while providing a boost to your immune system. Look for raw, unprocessed honey at health food stores or online retailers. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient for immune health. It helps increase the production of white blood cells, which are essential in fighting off infections. You can find fresh lemons at any grocery store. Lastly, cayenne pepper adds a spicy kick to the flu bomb while also providing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Cayenne pepper can be found in the spice aisle of most grocery stores. These ingredients work together synergistically to create a potent flu-fighting elixir that will have you feeling better in no time. Now, let's get down to business and whip up your very own flu bomb to combat that pesky flu. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating this immune-boosting elixir. 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and 1 cup of warm water. 2. In a mug, combine the freshly grated ginger, raw honey, lemon juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. 3. Pour in the warm water and stir the mixture until everything is well combined. 4. Taste and adjust the ingredients to suit your preference. You can add more honey for sweetness or cayenne pepper for an extra kick. 5. Sip on your flu bomb while it's still warm for maximum effectiveness. Feel free to experiment with different variations of the flu bomb recipe. You can add a dash of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties or a slice of fresh garlic for an extra immune boost. Get creative and tailor the recipe to your liking. Choosing the flu bomb over conventional flu remedies comes with a plethora of advantages that can make a world of difference in your flu-fighting journey. Here's why this natural remedy reigns supreme. 1. Natural versus over-the-counter. Unlike over-the-counter medications that may come with side effects, the flu bomb is made from natural ingredients that are gentle on your body and promote overall wellness. 2. Personal testimonials. Countless individuals have shared their success stories with the flu bomb, praising its effectiveness in alleviating flu symptoms and boosting their immune system. Many have reported quicker recovery times and reduced severity of symptoms. 3. Cost-effectiveness and sustainability. Using natural ingredients like ginger, honey, and lemon not only saves you money in the long run but also reduces your environmental impact by opting for sustainable, eco-friendly remedies. By incorporating the flu bomb into your flu-fighting arsenal, you're not only taking care of your health but also embracing a holistic approach to wellness that benefits both you and the planet. In addition to the flu bomb, there are several lifestyle changes and practices you can incorporate to supercharge your immune system and ward off the flu. 1. Prioritize sleep. Getting an adequate amount of quality sleep is crucial for a strong immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to allow your body to recharge and repair. 2. Stay active. Regular exercise not only boosts your overall health but also enhances immune function. Incorporate activities like walking, yoga, or strength training into your routine to keep your immune system in top shape. 3. Supplement wisely. Consider adding immune-boosting supplements like vitamin D, zinc, and probiotics to complement the flu bomb and further support your immune system. 4. Practice stress management. Chronic stress can weaken your immune response, so incorporate stress-relieving practices like meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness to keep your immune system resilient. Remember, overall wellness plays a significant role in flu prevention. By adopting a holistic approach to health that includes the flu bomb, healthy lifestyle choices, and immune-boosting practices, you'll be well equipped to tackle flu season head-on. Let's recap the key takeaways. The flu bomb recipe is a potent blend of immune-boosting ingredients like ginger, honey, lemon, and cayenne pepper that can help kick flu to the curb. Natural remedies offer a gentle and effective alternative to over-the-counter medications, promoting overall wellness and sustainability. Lifestyle changes, supplements, and stress management practices can further support a strong immune system and flu prevention. I encourage you to give the flu bomb recipe a try and share your experience with us. Your feedback is invaluable in helping others discover the power of natural remedies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family for more natural health tips. Together, we can empower our immune systems and thrive in good health. Thank you for watching.